This is how to do something. I don't actually even know what I'm really doing. I'm just trying to. There. So, I'm just gonna do this, I guess. Okay, so I am making, I guess, double awesome airplane. I'm gonna try to make it. Wait a minute. So. Just gotta come off the excess. Okay. So. Make it like an extra cool, awesome airplane. Okay, I'm gonna call this Knight Rider 960. So, so here it is. Let's see how it flies. Because I just made this.
Huh.
So, this airplane does not look like it flies, but it's just cool. Maybe I can make it better somehow, I guess. I don't know, but it's just cool. You can design it any way you want to. If you tell me any tips on helping me make a better... Oh, wait. Oh, this is cool. Alright, I want to get some tape. Guys, I'm going to get some tape real quick. I'm back with the tape. This is like I guess a little pocket holder. It can be a little holder for something from your stuff. So, yeah. Or it can just be something cool. So you can carry it here, here, and there. And then just get this. Oh, stupid refrigerator. Sorry. So. Stick on there and put it there. So do this. And there you go. Got a little pocket holder airplane. It's a holder and an airplane. Tape off the bottom. Okay, I don't know. It could be dart. It doesn't really fly, but it'll just kind of shoot. So, do some story. Put stuff in here, scissors. Put a pair of scissors in there. And it's one hold thing, see? Continue. In the next episode I make, I'm gonna make something that you can go around and hold it better. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Trying to find it. Sorry.